Hi, welcome back to Grow Your Worth. Today, we will be showing you why the stock market is the best place to begin making your money work for you on the path of financial freedom. Choosing where to invest your hard-earned money can be a difficult and scary decision, and while in the long run it's best to diversify, the stock market should be your first choice for 5 reasons. Reason number 1. You can make money regardless of the direction the market is moving. Whether the market, a specific industry, or a specific stock is moving up or down, there is money to be made. In a bull market, long positions and different derivative strategies will provide positive returns. In a bear market, short selling and opposite derivative strategies will also provide positive returns. In either situation, investors can make strong profits. Long positions, short selling, and derivatives will be discussed in further detail in future videos. Reason number 2. You can limit your losses. The stock market is one of the few places where you can effectively eliminate any chance of losing a lot of money. This can be done with the use of orders and option strategies. Orders allow you to close out negative positions at any level you wish, ensuring you don't have to lose more money than you're comfortable with on any given trade. Option strategies allow the investor to protect his or her position in a company, effectively slashing risk. Both of these concepts will be discussed in great detail in future videos. Reason number 3. Low barrier to entry. One of the greatest perks of stock market investing is the low barrier to entry. Compared to other investment opportunities like real estate or entrepreneurship, investing in the stock market is both an easier process to set up and easier on your wallet. Setting up an investment account is as simple as walking into your local bank or applying online through either your bank or another investing platform. The more money you can invest, the better, but you can begin investing with under $1,000. Low-cost investing platforms have driven down the price of trading fees and commissions, making it easier than ever to get started. Reason number 4. Flexibility. With many accounts, transferring money in and out of them is done with ease. This provides a level of comfort that real estate does not offer. If an emergency situation arises and you don't have the funds necessary to take care of it, you can dip into an investment account if it is absolutely necessary. This can be dangerous, however. Your investments should be made with money you have set aside for your future. If you treat your investment accounts the same way as a checking account, you will not make progress towards your financial goals. Reason number 5. Not time intensive. Investing in the stock market is perfect if you don't have a ton of time to commit to increasing your net worth outside of your main commitments. Some investors treat the stock market like a full-time job, while others simply invest and forget. Once you do your upfront research, set your strategy in place, and submit orders to protect your portfolio, you can watch your money grow on autopilot, with a few adjustments to be made occasionally as new information surfaces. Well, that's all for this video. If you have any questions about today's video, comment below and we'll get back to you, or make another video addressing your question in the future. As always, like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our new uploads. Take the first step in growing your worth today.